I'm going to show today how I clean my tubes to resale, to clean the dirt and dust off of them so I don't lose any of the information off of it and make the tube look a lot nicer. There's a lot of ways to do it, and I oftentimes get tubes sent to me where people cleaned them and wiped off the tube type or the codes, and they're just basically worthless, to be able to resell like I do. I resell on eBay. I flip tubes, and this is a little short video to show you a good way to do that without ruining the information on the tube. I have a few different types here that I'm going to show how to clean them that I do. I usually, most number one tool is a microfiber cloth towel. It's very, very handy. Sometimes it will clean without having anything but just wiping on them, as such. You can see the tube type right there. Take a little moisture off my finger. And it's way better than what it was. The top of the glass. There are some tubes, like these Sylvania tubes, Sylvania made. This one's branded Philco. It has the tube type on top. It's all dirty. So, take the cloth without any moisture, and it is way better. You can see the type way better. Take a little moisture around the getter flashing, spin it around. The getter flashing's cleaned off. The tube type's right on top. Take a little moisture off my finger, wipe around the base, clean the base. On the bottom of the tube, where the pins are, it's dirty. I take a Q-tip, wet the Q-tip slightly, run it across all around to the pin, and then around the base. Get in between the pins, all around the pins, and clean the pins off so it makes good contact. And it's way better than what it was. And you can take the Q-tip and go around where the base and the glass meets to clean that part. So, what if you have a tube like this? Microfiber, and clean it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of muscle, not much, and take the fiber cloth and go around the top. And that tube is way better than what it was. Here's one that's really dirty. Clean the top of the tube. And the tube is way better clean. bottom of the tube, once again with the Q-tip, go around the bottom. This was clean. This Q-tip was clean. And it's cleaning the dirt from around the bottom of the pins and the pins. This Q-tip, remember, was clean when I started. And look how dirty it is now. And the tube is way better clean. This is how I clean my tubes to resell on eBay. Saves the information. Microfiber towel and a Q-tip. And your tubes will be clean. And cleaning the pins in the bottom of the pin will also keep dirt from getting into the electronics of the amp. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.